It was a day on the island of Sodor, and all the engines were in the sheds, as usual. Then Sir Topham Hatt walked up. Chumish, I want you and James to be taking a train of fireworks to Vickers-town. But sir, what are the fireworks for? I don't know. Okay. But sir, do I really have to do this with Tom? Yes. But yes. Well, James, too bad. Let's go. Do I really have to, though? Yes. Crap. Well, let's go on this fun adventure, I guess. What should I do? I don't know. Okay. That's a pretty long trip. Oh, come on, let's just get this over and done with. Come on, James, you don't really have to smash into the back of the train. Yes, we do. Thomas and James steamed down the line until... What? Don't even think about it. No, come on, man. Okay, we can go. Oh, how did I get here? What did I do to deserve this? Then the engines came to Gordon's Hill. Well, crap. Now what do we do? Why are you stopping? We're at Gordon's Hill. We're like... Okay, you better actually do something while we're going up the hill. What are you trying to say? I haven't been pulling the entire time? That's exactly what I'm trying to say. Whatever. Let's just go. Paul! I swear if we lose a part of our trade, it's your fault. We just lost part of our train. What did I just tell you? Alright, now we have to go back up. Come on. Come on. It's too much. Come on, keep pulling. Pull. I can't. You keep pushing me. Yeah, you're right. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make this. Why is this train so long? I don't know. Maybe we need to break the train up into pieces. No, I am not doing that. We might have to. We can't anyway. This is a single track. That's because set limitations or something, I don't know. Yeah, you're right. I'll take the front part. You'll take the back. No, I am taking the front. I'm stronger. What? Excuse me? What did you just say? I'm stronger? I could probably take the front. There's more in the back, though. That's probably what's holding us back. Well, the fireworks are probably the heaviest thing on the train. Shut up. Just shut up. I'll take the front. You can take the back. No, I'm not. Yes, Yes, you are. But what if I don't want to? Too bad you're doing it anyway. What? Fine. Wait, how are we supposed to get back there? It's kind of simple. What is this all engines go? Yeah, I guess we just have to pull this like this. Never mind. Yeah, that's what I thought. Also, I should go in front. I'm shinier. Shut up. You know what? One more thing about you being better than me, and I'm gonna leave, and you can pull this yourself. Fine. Come on, let's just get this over and done with. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are there any cars with faces on this train? No, I swear. Are you sure? We don't get paid enough for this. We don't get paid at all. Exactly. I swear, we're going down the hill, we're gonna run away. Don't. We made it. We did it. Alright, now time to go downhill. Alright, now pin down. We need to pin down our brakes first. Yeah, I know that. If we didn't, we'd probably crash into some tar tankers. Shut up. That was exhausting. You know what? Now that I think about it, I'm not like winded at all. What? Are you? What? How? How are you not at least a little bit tired? I don't know. I'm not as lazy as you. If we weren't working together on this train, and we had to do this together, I would throw you off the hill right now. How is that even possible? You know, I'll just show you another time. Whatever. Alright, now time to go downhill. You know we're gonna crash, right? Yeah, I know. Wait, we have, like, explosives on our train. So, like... you know we're gonna die regardless. Whatever. Well, it's time to go downhill. James, use your brakes. I am. Use your brakes. I am too. How are we not crashing yet? I don't know. Oh my god. Crap.